Trust me. Good evening to everybody that's locked in right now. This is the Upnlive show. We do this each and every Tuesday right here, live on TGM Radio. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon Rasta, Fire, Q, the Little Brown Rasta. This is the Upnlive show. We have a special guest here, live from Jamaica. He's live inside the UK. LaaLee is here for the Tippy Night tour, live in London. What's good, brother?
My day, man, I go under the dirt, why pray?
Why you just look like you just relax, brother? Why you the cool all the way?
No, man, I'm just there, I go and vibe.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You know, so we have a special request here this evening before we even start the convo.
What that?
Because one of the hosts for the show, I hear she had tried to do the dance, and she can't do the dance, and hopefully you're going to demonstrate that later on in the program.
Alright, let's say a word.
Of course. So what brings you to the UK shows?
Just there, I go and do the dirt, do some work, get some work done, you get me?
Okay, and I'm referring to a show that you're headlining. Is it Tippy Night?
Yeah,
and
28.
It's all courtesy of what, Caribbean
UK party.
Caribbean UK. But that's why you say it and
Yeah.
You just look relaxed. So normally we see you up on the live and on the ground because we never see you in person.
Yeah.
You always look so jovial, but you just look like you just calm. Why you do two at the time difference?
No, man, I'm go van, man. I'm up, man. I'm up, man. I'm good, man.
No, I know LaaLee this whole no
I just relax,
the
me
grammar,
relax,
you know,
man.
thing.
No, man, I'm up, man. I'm up.
Of course. So for everybody that's watching you, like for us, the UK side,
Yeah.
if you just give us a little synopsis of like who's LaaLee really?
A youth from a place in Kingston, Jamaica called Jungle, you get me? Once I was a baller and then bam, I became an artist.
We can just like that.
Just like that.
Alright, just give us a quick transition because I know the first viral video we saw of you was the What's on Sale.
What's on sale, yeah.
What happened from then? Were you playing football then?
Me that play ball and the video go viral and friends are real call me. Tell me say, let's voice the song. I voice the song. Bam, everybody like the song. LaaLee career took off and then other tune come after.
So was it alright? So the What's on Sale song.
Hold on, Rick. Let me just drop in a quick thing. So, no, I kind of remember that song there. Oh, blood clot, are you an original combo boss? Are you that sell cocky over here, so? No, ladies. Remember I first sang that way. I sell the thing them for the girl. Remember,
yeah,
you know?
man, remember, man.
True. So the song, you say they are football and a celebration.
Yeah, man.
The song came about. So how long afterwards? Was it straight after the game you just run go studio or what happened?
No, the video go viral and everybody like the song and them just say, yo, we just voice the song. I'm voice it and then bam, the song hit. Just like the video hit.
Okay, so you decide at that point you say you're a footballer, ball of the thing there.
Yeah, about me I pay for on it, you get me, cause we don't know nothing about singing and music and them thing. We just dance and have fun and play ball, you get me.
Okay, and then
What the big honor team are the under
20, man.
Under 20, yeah?
okay,
Okay.
that's good. So when did you realize that? Okay, listen, me have to turn artist now because this thing I work.
I'm gonna realize it's just like it just come easy to me, you get me. When I start the music, I just realize say, yo, I just express myself in a song. I'm just have fun, so it just come easy, you get me.
And there's one thing me always say, I ask you. I never really see no bad like the gangster, the bad man song. And you forward from a place named Jungle. Cause most everything
Nah,
was
man,
the jungle.
sometimes when you play Marble, you never forget your knuckles dirty, you know. You get me? So we just keep the record clean, you get me? You have other people for do them things. So just load the violence thing. I just have fun and laugh.
Why decide to keep the records clean? Because of affiliation with corporate Jamaica?
That's one reason to, but you see where crime and violence carry. You get me? I can't but I did too quick. When I reach it, you get me? So I forget all.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There's one aspect of LaaLee which is quite intriguing, which is the performance side. I think it outweighs the recording side. Yeah. How did that came about?
The performance, I just me have fun, you get me? I can't dance long time, so sing, dance, it easy. I just have fun, you get me? I just watch my elders them, me watch some Ninja Man and some Tiger and them man from back in the days and see stagecraft. You just use the craft you learn from them and just have fun, be myself, have fun.
Exactly. So we realize that you're now being associated a lot with like the dance moves. Cause there was one previous before the Tippy Night. There was what was the Tippy Night? Which one was first? Dirt or Tippy Night?
Tippy Night first.
Tippy Night was first, right?
Yeah.
And then the Dirt, but they're very similar. Differentiate for me the main difference to me.
I don't know either. I just know so the dance move can do for any song.
So well on there. So basically, you're chopping people. You repackage the same thing twice.
You can't say that because Tipping Night was just a song, but the dance fitted. So me I say, you know what, just build a song for the dance then.
Exactly, because that's what got me confused. Because I say dirt, and then I say tip. Then I say wait. That's something I look like. I see him something, man.
Yeah, because enough people have it to the dance name Tipping Night, you know. Enough people don't say I dirt the dance name, you know. So we actually build a song now with name dirt and just.
No, but me, yes, you know, you fool me, because me thinks the dance name Tipping Night. And the one when them I go on with the shake up business.
So let me just clarify
Come
this.
read the one, brother.
The name does the name dirt after the dirt bunks. Does it come from the dancer name because the Tyree Dirt is the originator of the dance move, right?
Him name Tyreek and him a dance night dirt one day and him just name the dance dirt.
Okay, so tell me how that family because
the video with my dance viral over came on us like him never have no slippers or nothing. My dance night dirt. So them actually said dirt. I'm a dirt and the video go viral.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why a Tyreek link you or you decide to.
I mean, I just see the video and say, yo, I build a song for the dance, yeah. I just build a song.
Okay.
We realize that with this dance, you have a whole of backlash coming from a lot of Jamaican about it. Say, man, no fi do the dirt buns because it's a bit feminine and the wind up thing in a party, you know, look good for man to do it.
You know what kind of gender you like?
Yeah.
All right.
That's why I ask you, say, how do you take that?
That's why I ask you. That's why I ask you. You know what kind of gender you like?
Yeah.
Me know what kind of gender
me
me
like. You know,
all right.
Yeah.
So me I
so
want
me
to
just ask you, say, how do you take the criticism from the wider public?
I mean, I ask you again.
Yeah.
What kind of gender you like?
Yeah, that nah nothing to do with the question.
So me I tell you that have a fisherman think about fish, bad man.
Okay.
So a farmer man
yeah.
think about goat and them things.
So
They say if a girl, they say think about girl.
So you never really pay the critiques of mine when they talk because we a lot of people. We a foot type come out and talk about
Are
it.
you first? I tell me because I never met them other things.
No,
there.
we have to ask, you know, because it's out on the street. The streets are saying this. We a foot type talk about. We a lot of influential people come and talk about
it. I
it.
walk on the street then. Come in a meds it.
Oh, Zane.
Me no meds it.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, man.
It makes sense. Collabs.
Yeah, man.
I've seen you done few collabs, and you did one with was it Flight,
yeah.
Bugle. Explain for me. I haven't really seen you doing much collabs more than that one. Why is that so? Are you not really interested?
No,
in
man, I do collab, man. Me have collab with Maestro Dan. Me have a collab with Diani. Most of them don't release it. You get me?
Okay.
Me have collab with artists over here. You get me? So we just there. None of them don't release it, but the collab them there, man. It's just we just want to build the name.
So when we get something?
You can expect something by the end of the month. Yeah, man, the Lego the Bird remix, man. With some big Afrobeat name, you get me?
Yeah,
man.
And that's what I was gonna get at too, because I realized the Afrobeat taking over the dancehall.
Yeah.
Is your move, your visit to UK, was it strategic to try to tap into that?
Definitely. So me I tell you, when the Lego the Bird remix you drop.
So who is on the remix?
Some Ghana artist named Dope Nation, you get me?
Dope Nation.
Yeah.
I think I heard the name before. I don't really familiar with the music. So you're
we have
looking
them
to go to
on the
Africa?
Anytime Africa call, we're gone.
Why? Because right now I can see the Africans them are the dirt dance.
Yeah, man.
It look like that little side that can go on.
No, it look like say. You remember one little big head youth where they do one little thing down there. It look like say. I don't know if the dirt dance come from Africa before or them family back in at the time, but one video was going around. Did you ever see that video LaaLee?
No, sir.
With a little youth where I kind of do the bunks. Because as you know, African always have this two-step bunks.
Yeah.
So it kind of comparison with tying the cultures together. With all we move as black people, so Jamaican to Africa.
Yeah.
So do you think does it dance? Do you think it was influenced any at all by the Afrobeats move?
And I me build the dance, so me can't tell.
Yeah.
We know so the beat is influence of Afrobeat. You get me? Cause if you listen, I like Afrobeat and Afro dancehall together, bad. So I look at Afro and look at dancehall put together, you get dirt.
So let's talk about the bird now. How that come in? Let go the bird.
You don't know, you have to let go the bird them.
Which bird? You have one cage on for that bird?
Let go the bird them. My dog down a jungle Joel have a pigeon.
So it's actually real.
Yeah, man. The dog actually have a pigeon come and every morning him let go the bird them, man.
Let go
Whole
the
heap
bird.
of pigeon and they go morning time and then by the evening you see them flying back.
So hold on now.
So-
Say just one day he just like, let go the bird.
Them bill a dance and them want the song feed and you just put words together, you just build a song.
I think that is actually a make up. It's actually serious
man,
thing.
Actual serious thing, man.
But this kind of blew my mind now because when you say you foul from a jungle, the reputation have a bad image in the past where we hear about certain things foul at a jungle. But things you describe to me and you say most of the time when I hear you speak of jungle, it sounds like a fun place to me. Especially so let me digress a little bit from the conversation a little bit. It's gonna talk about something slightly different. I've seen recently where Scatter has mentioned that he's not afraid of going out on the record and saying things against crime people who's harboring like crime people around them. Would you go so far to say, all right, if you say you see something that's happening around you that is not right or illegal, would you be the one to call out against it?
I'm blind, you know.
You're blind?
Mad man, I'm blind, man. But you don't know I won't hurt you. I never remember something.
Let go the bird.
You see no?
Let go the blood clot bird.
So you would go, Ice. You're going on record, you would actually go against what Scatter say.
Scatter can't say him. I say me now. Me no want to say no with Scatter. I never want to disagree with Scatter. Scatter opinion and film opinion.
Rick?
My opinion is that if I see it, I'm blind. Me no want. Me no say no. Do what you do.
Rick, let go the
What
bird.
you do not nothing for concern me.
No, it's not. The reason why I ask is that, a lot of influential people choosing sides in the conversation. And obviously, he's one of the person at the forefront saying that he's going to talk and he's going to be the biggest informer. But because of where you live, in the environment, because
the mindset we grow with from your youth, your mother tell us, see I'm blind here and deaf. I'm not Superman. Can't save the world.
Okay, well, at least you're free if you have your own opinion.
I see it for true.
Of course. All right, cool. We'll get that out of the way. But with the UK now, tipping night is going to be on the 28th at this month. What can people expect that is going to be coming to this
You
show?
don't know the vibes. You see the video itself, we're going to just perform the video. You get me? I go just see the vibes there. I go enjoy it and you go see who is LaaLee. You get me? Like, I can't tell people say, you expect a grand performance. I just know say me I have fun. When I perform, it's me having fun.
Is there anything specially planned or
I never know if nothing specially planned, you know. I just know say we're gonna just full up them girl belly with some cornflakes and then we tip in night after, you get me? So it's just me showing them all the, and we're gonna show them all the dirt actually do, you get me?
Exactly.
Our dirt different, you know.
the dirt things?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so the dirt dance, pretty much everyone in the UK is there a specific, as I say, you didn't make the dance.
Yeah.
So I don't think you probably don't qualify enough to really give guidance over it. But I think Rasta, she's been dying to ask you to show her the dirt. Would you oblige to give her, not us, because we don't really, we're not stay that way there, but she really want to see you do the dirt. She's been asking and she's been requesting it. So, Jaga, you have that song there?
Dirt?
Tipping at, you see it now? Tipping at your dirt, because it's been over exciting for the Ras, and she well want to see it. So we feel like, may I give her that little part of the interview, yeah. I think she deserves
Hold
it.
on, man.
Can't find it?
Man, put on my drink, no, man. Drink, not stick me up, so I ain't ready,
I easy song to find.
Yeah, man, just relax, man, find the song. And let him start search it.
So people, if you're wondering, if you haven't got your tickets yet, you can jump over to Super Nitro's page, or you can go onto Caribbean Rocks. Is it Caribbean Rocks? Let me get the information right. Well, I know it's on Super Nitro's page, or supernitro.co.uk, and you can get your tickets there for the show. It's going to be on the 28th of this month. People, it's going to be an exciting show. It's a good lineup. Remember that LaaLee is there as well. And big up my artist LaaLee. He's been doing great. I like the direction of the career right now. It's going on good, brother. Keep up the good work. Also, Super Nitro will be performing as well on the show as well. But right now, people, right here in the Upnlive show, if you haven't seen it before, if you don't know it, and you've never done it before, you go and get a serious lesson right now from the man himself, the man who created the song, not the dance. So if him not really go 100, don't give him a chance. Yes, sir, people. LaaLee!
Dirt. Them deaf.
But how you do it?
Yeah, me clean, everybody know this. Who make a small man what this? But me know what this, who me just watch this. I did brand new dance, me a teach it. If you a girl, just smile and show your dimple. kiddie them know all the thing go. Brand new dance, it's simple. Tear it dirt, show them the thing now. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody catch your bunks, watch ya. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody catch your bunks, watch ya. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody catch your bunks. Hey, my mouth, it can't slip. My face, it and yes, I'm now boy riding. You a LaaLee, my name, girl, I spit. From man, the clear I grow. Bad man, but I never go low. Tell them I talk to you like this, you a show. Gonna tell you a story, just this way, you know. I was a night, me a sneaky feed. Hey, Rufus, don't rush me. Keisha, the man, well wanted.
People, all the dirt stay, the dirt clean, and the dirt extra dirty. All the dirt stay, cause right now the bunks, Rasta, I hope Rasta get the bunks, you know, cause Rasta been asking for that and she get her heart desire. See?
I catch apartheid. Stick at 2022. I gotta learn for dance this year. Watch it.
Of course. So you know what, LaaLee, you know what, we're excited for the show. Also, you're gonna be performing on Thursday as well. Tipsy Thursday as well. Any other shows while you're here in the UK?
Killer Filler Show, the 30, Birmingham.
It's gonna be in Birmingham as well.
Yeah, man, not much. I just strictly work. I just them show there and work. Some collab, music video and them thing there.
So there's a lot of UK artists here as well. Are you looking to, as I say, you're working?
Yeah, man.
So if them cars, them ask if they want to jump in a DM, how they can contact you or something?
You can just DM me. From them link me, I'm like the idea, I'm see.
Yeah.
How we can benefit. You get me? We just work.
Of course. All right. We know you're going to be performing on Thursday, but we're still in the true interest of the Upnlive show, how we normally do it. Every artist, when Bunty Zilla forward there, Cartel forward there too, you know, in our Holy Spirit. He might have to give you a little 8 bar or 16 bar or something. So you know it go? That little part of the show, as Dragon did I say,
You know what you think, the part I call it freestyle, because everybody will found up in here, you know, if I put on a piece of freestyle, I get the money. You know what you think, go? All right.
Yeah, tell them. Play a bad man rhythm, like me go sing gun song, I'm singing. Bumbo clot, ay, and if a dirt, blood clot, dirt, yo. I'm bad man, I'm in a weird skirt, ay. And with the girl, bad man a flirt, yo. I'm on a girl is expert, listen me. And through my door, sing gun song, ay. The boy, them don't think my bad, yo. Jungle, them may come from, ay. Big up my G, Mr. Punk, ay. I'm alone, my tech shot from pussy wall. So try to violate, man, ay. To be draft for the 6 pants, I'm a knock it in a traffic when the whole place jump, ay. Put us in a rhythm, man, so fi mash it up. Now for them a boss, pussy them and them it up. Yeah, my crash, but that could stop me. Man, I giant, not the thing, I'm a money plenty. And if a boy violate jungle me come from, I'm a know enough real, be a gunman.
LaaLee for the gangster side, the first I hear this.
Gunman artist, you want to turn me now.
Want to see a different side?
Yeah. No, you're not going to see a different side. I'm not really follow. I can't put any song for any rhythm. I want to put a girl song for this.
Yeah. Give me a girl song for this.
Man, the girl is some way born. We girl no son. Girl want me touch. Tough like corn. I was a dog, cause your girl was a dog. Every quack she quack. Man, I kill her with fuck. Me say quack, quack, quack. Man, kill her with fuck. Quack, quack, quack. Me, I kill her with fuck. Quack, quack, quack. Me, I kill her with fuck.
Like you want clash.
Quack, me, I kill her with fuck. I'm in the ramp with
cornflakes and body water.
with...
That to get them one. Cornflakes and body water. I wish it. Cornflakes that. Yo, here one now. The girl them want the cornflakes and body water. The girl them want a little song there.
Play the rhythm. Play the rhythm them.
Yeah. Alright, here one now. Me just want to get a little faster rhythm. And more. Here one now. More sing verses because LaaLee a bad artist.
Jaganaton artist.
Then now at 2022nd man, I want to hear it man. Good God man, watch you now. Me give part of the little cartel and move out like a saga there. And more you fit in a song for the watch what I go on now.
As so far you carry general, make him meds.
Bumbuckler, hey, never suck a pussy, never fuck a body, yeah. Girl with me touch, left them body, she vibrate. She said, LaaLee, short and tally. LaaLee, short and tally, hey. Never suck a pussy, never fuck a body, yeah. Every girl with me touch, left them body, she vibrate. She said, LaaLee, short and tally. LaaLee, short and, hey, dog, yo. I'm my mouth and it can't slip, hey. I'm my face it on the toilet, yo. You see my rear, no boy, ride it. You would leave my name, girl, ice break from one, yo, little and I go, hey. Bad man coulda never go low, hey. Tell them I talk you about this, you a show me, but tell you was no, we just listen, you know. And hours a night, man, I screech if it in.
Yeah.
Hey, Rufus, don't rush me.
Yeah.
Keisha, the man well wanted, and she promise me a fuck, and me I gonna need it. Guess
Yeah.
what? And the sponge one thing.
Yeah.
And the Scooby Doo thing,
Yeah.
hey. Sugar pussy is a Pikachu thing, hey. Girl, don't be make your balancing, hey. You see me mouth and it can't slip, hey.
Can I
And the
get
toilet,
yeah. Chubba! Why do
Yeah.
it
Alright.
road rough out there?
So that's why I like when artists show versatility and different rhythm, because you know, I bet some of them know and they know say some of them songs could have just stitch up on some of them rhythm so.
Exactly. And LaaLee, I want you to understand something that
Yeah.
we doing that what Dragon just did just now.
Yeah.
I understand why I did that, and maybe you not understand because we have a lot of young artists that watch the show and forward on this platform,
Yeah.
and they don't understand the concept of adapting.
Yeah, me know that, man.
And for you to be an artist of having hit songs predominantly for the females, Dragon show you on the next side, and you actually didn't just say, yo, skip that. You just did your thing
Yeah, man.
and adjusted to the thing. So that is the reason why he done what he did,
Yeah, man.
of course. And we give
Because
thanks to you.
I've been going to so many shows where I hear some artists, oh, play a rhythm. them can't, them not get it and I rhythm I play, you know. Or they other artists is performing, they come and
miss
see
the
it one
opportunity
time,
them time, man.
they miss it.
From here, the rhythm, you just attack it.
Them likes a boom, miss,
just
kick
meds
out.
a flow, you go flow it, and you just work with it. So you have to do it, you know.
Exactly.
Because you don't rush the rhythm, you meds how you go flow.
Yeah.
And you see how you flow tipping it on the rhythm, and you go just how you flow it. You just make it have a different sound. You get me?
The genius at work, and people, ladies, make sure to forward for the 28th of the month.
man, we
January.
outside. Let's
it's going to be
in it.
epic. So people, not Epic Jones, but it's going to be
Yeah,
epic.
man, I'm ready, man. Well, I'm tell you, so we're there. We're going to do some work. Enough people never know who is LaaLee, but better say after this, them are going to know who is LaaLee now. So we just there for put in the work and just have some fun.
Of course. All right, people. Give thanks, LaaLee, for forward to the show.
Respect for having me. You get
Of course, we give thanks for it. But before you forward, can we give us some social media where we can find it, please?
I'm LaaLee, LaaLee_ranks on Instagram, LaaLee ranks on Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook. You get me?
What the ranks forward in from? Because you wasn't around
You know, say from school days, from I just start out artisting, LaaLee ranks there, man. From Instagram days, you get me? So it was a group away from high school days when you ranks. You get me?
Okay.
So just keep it LaaLee ranks. You get me?
It makes sense, right? Give thanks again, LaaLee. You know, all the
Respect.
best. And we will be at few of the shows, so we will see the crowd that are cheer.
Man. Bye.
Well, of course, definitely. Manners and respect.
Respect.
So people, if you're just joining us, LaaLee was here. Remember, the show is going to be on the 28th of January, and it's going to be at a London location. For tickets and info, just log on to www.islandsplash.net if you want to get tickets or you want to find more information about this party. And also, you can log on to Super Nitro's page, or you can go onto his website. It's supernitro.co.uk and get some more information. Or you can log on to our page, our Instagram page as well. You can find some more info on the shows coming up. Also, he's going to be there Thursday coming. He's going to be at Tipsy Thursday, all courtesy of Lady Sassy, and that's going to be another epic performance. If ladies and gentlemen, if you don't know about performance, if you actually want to get the art of real performance, come to LaaLee show, because he has the package, not just the songs just to get the garner the attention, but also the image, the stage performance, and that is what we're more interested into. All right? Okay, and also remember this coming Thursday as well. Ching Power is going to be on Tipsy Thursday, so make sure you log in with that. You know, she are going with a bag of things, you know. Trust me. Stick and stay, people. Upnlive show, we're here. Dragon, Rasta, we're going to be having some conversation next. All right, stick and stay. Let's go.